so many problems trying to print this. It's unbelievable. So now I'm trying something different here. I'm putting a raft on there, as you can see, and hopefully this will print. I'm finding a lot of problem with this ABS. With ABS, isn't it? Yeah, ABS. But let's hope this one works. So guys, there could be a hope that it works, but I can see like something's not 100% there on one of the wheels. I'm not sure. Not looking too bad at the moment, guys. Maybe it's salvageable. We'll see. So we're coming to the end, guys. I'm hoping that this one will actually work. I paused it and put some glue, as you can see all that glue around there. I put some glue on so it doesn't move. I'm hoping that this is really going to be good. For the first time, guys, I've actually printed it. Took me forever, but hey, it's worth it. When I take it apart, it's supposed to be all in one. So when I take it apart, we'll have a look at it then, see if it works. It's a beautiful design indeed. So here it is, guys. It's done, but it's a little bit warped. It's warped up a little bit because I left it on the heat, and I think I used too much heat on it. But can't move these yet, and I have to kind of try to loosen things. Well guys, I'm going to continue off camera because I don't know how long it's going to take me to loosen these. Quite stiff. So guys, I tried to make a heart thing before and it just didn't work. I did mess up a lot, so I thought I'd try it in black this time, but this person has taken that design and changed it a bit. So I'm going to do this heart one where you can actually touch the wheels and spin them. See how that goes. As you know, guys, I've been having a lot of problems with sticking things, and this is like coming to 25% here, and it's looking good. Coming up to 50%, guys. 66%. I hope this time the wheels spin. 83%, guys. Hi guys, so I did print one before, like I said, in my red thing there, but it didn't work. So this is it now. It's just come off the plate, and I didn't realize what they meant. There it is. There's the open one, which is very good, because when I printed it first time, guys, it just didn't work. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Look at that. Nope, I threw my other one away. I showed you. But this is so beautiful. Look at that. It's all in one. It's printed all in one. And it's beautifully done. Look at this. I love this. I mean, I didn't have to mess about with it. The other one I had to try and loosen these and try this, that, and the other. Couldn't do it. But this gentleman, he has made it into so open there, so that you can actually mess about with it and play with it. Because the other one didn't have that open there. And perfect. Look at this, beautiful. I love it. I'm so pleased with it. I'm going to try a second one. There's another one that they do. It says second version. This is obviously a keyring. You can put it onto your keyring, but I don't think you know, it could be very flimsy and it's too big in your pocket and one thing or another. I think just to have it as a what do you call it? A therapy thing there, fidget toy. Just to have it as a fidget toy is good. It's like good therapy. The only thing is I can't hold it properly. But there you go. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I thoroughly enjoyed this, and I'm so pleased with the result I've had. Well, guys, to my amazement, it seems to be going okay at the moment. We'll see how it goes at the end. Change your input there, but that's what happens. So guys, I thought I'd do one with this white one I've got, PLA. PLA seems to be fine. It's the other one, the ABS doesn't stick. And I think the only problem I have with my ABS then must be the sticking problem. So I'll have to try and find a way of getting it to stick to the plate. Look at this, guys. Finally got it working, thanks to the suggestion of my nephew. There you go. I'm hoping that it'll finish complete without any problems. But at the moment it's looking good, but by now it will be lifting up the edges and corners and everything else. So here you go, guys. A success. I'm so surprised how well it just comes off the plate, and it just works. So beautiful indeed. I love it. I can see this has gotten a bit pinky because I tried the red one first, and obviously it left some residue, but it looks good anyway. So final product, guys. This is slanted. Yeah. This is a V shape. And this is straight. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, pleased with it.